Hey y'all, welcome back to Family Simply Cooking. I got Axel and Aspen here today. Today's kind of a special video because we're gonna be making Dolly Parton's banana pudding. She has recently passed, and in this house, Dolly Parton is more about family. It's about those memories. We're getting the very first book from her book club for Axel. And then Jerry told me that, yeah, he's gonna get these each month until he's 5 or starts kindergarten. And then Aspen started getting hers. And it was one of those special moments that the books have been coming every single month for every year. And then Axel just aged out of it, and that was sad, one of those experiences. And Aspen's still in it, and we got a few more years with her. But Dolly Parton played a very special role in our children's lives with the book club, where we'd get excited and we'd read the books with the kids. And I'm excited about this one. So I got some vanilla wafers and some bananas that look like they're going to be perfect for this. And I had 2 helpers, but they're leaving. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these up and go ahead and get this part done. And then we're going to cook the pudding part and then the meringue. So I got my bananas here in my little pan. Try to cut them all about the same length. And banana pudding to me is even better after it's been stored in the fridge overnight. But I also be eating it warm too. I'm gonna get some vanilla wafers. Layer up the top.
You're mine.
Okay. There is, look, you can put some right there. Just drop them on down. Okay, well, eat it. That's fine.
I want.
Well, good. I'm glad you love bananas. We got our bananas down. I'm going to do some more wafers. Alright, so we're going to set this off to the side and we're going to work on our pudding. So here we have our ingredients for the pudding. So 3 cups of milk. We're going to need 1 egg and then 3 yolks. Sugar, flour, butter. The rest are the ingredients are listed below, and I'm going to have them on screen here. So in my saucepan here, I'm going to add 3/4 sugar and my 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Get it all in there. Start mixing those together, and I'm going to slowly start incorporating my milk to bring those together. And you're going to blend this in until it's nice and smooth, okay? We're going to bring this up to about a medium heat. What I'm going to do with my eggs while this is heating up I'm going to separate my yolks. Now, judgment-free zone, because I've never really done this too well. We're going to try it. I've seen it on TV. Three yolks. And then we got 1 egg and yolk. 1 egg and a yolk together. And if you see any specks of flour, just start whisking again. So you get all them clumps on out. So it's warming up finally. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of my milk mixture and mix it in my eggs, because I'm not trying to cook my eggs. And now I'm just going to pour it on in. So I'm going to add my butter on in. I cut my butter up. This is 1/4 cup of butter. So once our butter's in, I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. We want to make sure it's not boiling. It's going to be a little warm. That's fine. We're going to pour it right on in to our banana cookie mixture. Now, I've never made a meringue before. This is my first time making a meringue. We can do it together. We just got to have a little faith in each other that we can do this. So those egg yolks that we set to the side earlier, we're going to put in a bowl. We're going to add the ingredients on screen: the vanilla, lemon juice, and a little bit of sugar. And then we're going to mix. Done. So now, do what? What are we doing? What are you doing? Yep. All right, so the only thing left now is to put this in the oven and let this finish up. So we're gonna put it in the oven until that meringue gets golden brown. I've never made meringue before. I tried. I think it looks decent. Look at that. Ooh. I did let it sit in the fridge to chill afterwards because it just seemed like the right thing to do. I like my banana pudding cold. Oh. Let's give it a whirl. Dolly Parton's banana pudding. Oh man, So I like having it sit in the fridge, but with this you don't really need to, because like you cook it and it's good, because like the vanilla wafers break down, so they're not hard and crunchy. And man, this, oh yeah, that's a banana pudding to try, y'all. 100%. Y'all, if you got little ones and you're not signed up for the Dolly Parton book club, sign them up. You get free books each month. It's a great place, great organization. We love it. The kids loved it. They always look forward to getting those books. Aspen still does. Make this simple and easy. Homemade banana pudding, Dolly Parton style, y'all. I love you. If you will, drop a comment below. Hit that thumbs up button. Share the video. Subscribe. Hit the bell notification. Get notified every time I post videos, y'all. So, y'all, I love you. Catch you in the next one. Make sure you tell someone you love them. Good night. Peace.